Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Taahirah, your Muslim women's health companion. In this short walkthrough, we'll guide you through the key features of the app and how to make the most of them. Onboarding. When you first open the app, you'll see 3 simple slides introducing what Taahirah is all about. Next, you'll be prompted to create your account and answer some questions about you. You'll also notice small info icons beside keywords. Tap these if you'd like to understand any Islamic or medical terms in more detail. Once you're done, Bismillah, your journey with Taahirah begins. Homepage, your cycle overview. Your home screen gives you an overview of where you are in your cycle, both biologically and according to fiqh. For premium users, you can drag the tracker around the circle to view your cycle progress and upcoming milestones, helping you understand what to expect at each stage. You can also tap Learn About My Cycle at any point to see insights and tailored tips for every phase, nurturing your mind, body, and soul. Prayer timings. If you add your location, you'll see a prayer progress bar showing current and upcoming prayer times. You can adjust these settings based on your madhhab and preferred calculation method. This helps you stay consistent with prayers and, importantly, ensure that when your period ends, you can perform ghusl and resume worship in time. Logging symptoms. You can log your symptoms under both health and spiritual categories, designed for accessibility and ease. Premium users get access to the full range for a more detailed log. Once saved, you can swipe through your calendar to review patterns over time. Calendar view. From the home page, switch to your calendar view for a complete overview. A simple key explains all the icons from both medical and fiqhi perspectives. You can log your period, including start and end times, for accurate calculations of menstruation and purity. Premium users can receive istihada alerts if their bleeding exceeds valid limits, ghusl predictions, and all historic calendar and cycle data, allowing you to track long-term patterns and insights. You'll also see predictions for fertility and ovulation. If you ever need to make edits, simply tap the edit icon beside the date. Fasting tracker. During onboarding, you may have shared how many fasts you need to make up. From the fasting page, you can log these specific fasts inside or outside Ramadan to make up. Premium users can schedule make-up fasts directly from their list of outstanding ones. Once scheduled, you can view all planned fasts, add them to your external calendar, mark them as completed, mark them as missed, or delete them if you'd like to reschedule. This helps you stay organized and intentional in fulfilling your religious obligations with ease. Knowledge Hub. The Knowledge Hub is your library of expert-backed, faith-based education. Here you'll find articles and frequently asked questions across categories like fiqh and spirituality, menstrual and reproductive health, mental health and well-being, lifestyle nutrition, and personal stories and lived experiences from her story. Premium users can get unlimited access to the full library, constantly updated with new insights and guidance. If there's a topic you'd like us to include, you can send feedback directly through the app with unlimited feedback for premium users, helping shape the future of Taahirah with their ideas and experiences. In settings, you can personalize your app experience from your madhhab and calculation method to preferred notifications for prayer, ghusl, cycling, and fasting reminders. That's Taahirah, your all-in-one companion for Muslim women's health. No more switching between multiple apps. Here, your cycle, your faith, and your health are understood together. For the full experience, unlock Taahirah Plus. Access every premium feature, expert resource, and personalized insight for just £5.99 a month. Welcome to Taahirah. Join the movement reclaiming Muslim women's health.